In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Huawei account with this Huawei ID sign-in guide. To get started, open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to the official Huawei ID login page. Make sure you are using the correct Huawei sign-in website so you can safely access your account. This is important because using the official login page helps protect your account information and ensures you are signing in through Huawei's secure system. Once the page loads, you'll be on the Huawei ID login screen. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully opened and that you're in the right place before entering any details. If the page takes a little time to load, just wait a few seconds so everything appears properly. On the Huawei ID login page, begin by entering your login ID. This is the account identifier you use for your Huawei account, such as the email address or phone number linked to your Huawei ID, depending on how your account was created. Type it in carefully to avoid any sign-in errors. If your login details don't work on the first try, double-check for spelling mistakes or extra spaces before moving on. After entering your login ID, go to the password field and type in your password. Be careful while entering it, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or symbols. Passwords are case sensitive, so even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. If you're signing in on a shared or public device, it's a good idea to be extra cautious and avoid saving your password in the browser. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click the Login button. After that, Huawei will process your sign-in request and take you into your account. If your details are correct, you should be logged in successfully within a few moments. If you have trouble signing in, the most common issue is incorrect login information. So check your login ID and password carefully and try again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, since a weak connection can sometimes interrupt the login process. And that's all it takes to sign into your Huawei account. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to access your Huawei ID quickly and easily.